I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Gacha Sriracha. Gacha Sriracha provides us with the freshest ingredients from the farm to their kitchen to our dining table all at the same day. You can have a bottle now for only 100 pesos and it comes in 3 variants. They have the Sriracha plus Mayonnaise, Sriracha plus Ketchup, or the original Sriracha Red Hot Sauce. And yun, nag-din try ang Sriracha plus Mayonnaise because this is quite new to me. And yes, perfect siya na combination niya, Sriracha plus Ketchup. Well, dili kayo siya hang. And now, the original Sriracha. Wow, perfect kaya pagkahang, oy. And plus the lumpia ang bola-bola, mas perfect yun, oy. Bitaw guys, but always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!